If you want to create an attendance using Action Network in N8N, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a really useful setup if you want to automate attendance records inside your workflow without doing everything manually. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. You can use an existing automation or start fresh, depending on what you need. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel on the right side and search for Action Network. This is the node you'll use for connecting your workflow to the Action Network platform. After you find it, add the Action Network node to your workflow. Now, inside the node settings, choose Create an Attendance. This tells N8N that you want to create a new attendance record rather than performing a different action. Once that option is selected, you can start configuring the fields based on what you want. Fill in the required details, map the data from your workflow if needed, and make sure each setting matches the attendance information you want to send. Take a moment to review everything before moving forward, because the configuration will determine how your attendance is created. After that, save your node and run a test if needed to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've now created an attendance using Action Network in N8N. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next N8N automation tutorial.